How to make money on Freelancer as a data visualization expert. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, freelancer.com is a platform where you can create your own profile in order to showcase your skills to the business owners or the visitors of this platform. So for example, if I was a business owner or a visitor coming to this platform to find or to hire a data visualization expert, I will just go to hire freelancers in here and go by skill. Then I'm going to search for data visualization expert. And here we have just data entry clerks. So let's go to search by skill categories. And here, let's give it a few seconds to load. Let's just wait for it. And here it is. We have the category of websites, IT and software. And by scrolling down, you will find the data category. Let's just scroll down. We have writing and content, media architecture. We have here data entry and admin. So let's search for data visualization. So you have here data analytics, architectures, cleansing, data delivery, entry extraction, processing, scraping, database design. So let's just go with data analytics. And here you can hire expert data analytics experts for any job. So by scrolling down, you will be able to see their profiles. And I'm showing you all of this, guys, just to let you know what you're going to learn in today's video. And guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own profile like those people in order to showcase your skills to the business owners or the visitors. So for example, let's check this man's profile just to show you what you're going to learn in depth. So here guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a profile like this one, how to add your cover photo, your profile photo as well, how to verify all of these verifications. They are very important. It helps you build more trust between you and between the clients. I'm going to show you how you can write a bio for your profile as well, how you can choose your hourly rate, enter your hourly rate, and how you can upload your portfolio too. And when it comes to the reviews, you cannot control them. The clients are the one in control of the reviews. So the only thing you can do to improve those reviews is to deliver decent job and a good job to your clients. So let's go back to the main page. And here click on Freelancer in order to start creating your profile. So here click on earn money freelancing and then fill the usual information, your first name, last name, email and password. Then click on join freelancer. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to proceed with my username and my password. Then click on login. Give it a few seconds to load. And this is your dashboard. It's where you can control everything about your profile. So just go to your top right to this button, and here you will see where you can control your account and your finances as well. So here in your account, you can view your profile, your membership, your account analytics, your bid insights, and your settings. And in your finances, you can check your balance, you can add funds, withdraw funds, check your transaction history, your financial dashboard, and your payment sharing. You can also go to the support if you've encountered any problems, or you can invite friends, or you can log out too if you want. So let's go up here to view our profile. And here, as you can see, the profile looks very empty. We have 0 reviews, 0 money, 0 likeliness to accept a project, and all of those stuff. So let's start with editing our profile. And here you will need first to verify your email. Then you'll proceed to add in a profile picture. The profile picture is very important, guys, because there is no one no client who will work with a freelancer who doesn't even have a profile picture. Then you proceed to add in a cover photo as well. It will be better if you have one in your profile. And then you proceed to the verifications, and as I said, those are very important. They help you build more trust between you and the clients. So here, make sure to join the elite group of the best freelancers. Then verify your identity through a government issued ID check and a proof of address. And here, verify your payment method, verify your phone number and the email. We've talked about it before. And here, connect your Facebook as well. And after you're done with the verifications, then you proceed to choosing your hourly rate, and then choose your professional headline and enter your summary or your description. It's where you're going to talk about yourself, talk about your skill, how many years of experience you have, where did you learn that skill, your previous work, and stuff like that. Then you proceed to enter in your top skills. So here, let's remove this skill, and here let's enter data visualization expert. Let's remove expert here. You have data visualization, and we can go with data entry if you can do that, data processing as well, if you can do data mining. So you can choose all of the skills that you can perform. And then when you're done, you scroll down and click on save to save all of these changes. And then scroll down to add your portfolio. It's very helpful as well because clients like to see your work before hiring you, so they can know what kind of work you're offering. Then by scrolling down, add also your experience, your education, your qualifications, and your publications. All of those things will help you get more clients. And then when you're done with making all of these adjustments, then it's time to make some money. So let's go to browsing here, click on projects, and here you will be able to see all of the available jobs for you to apply for. And by scrolling down in here, you can remove this one, and you can search for the skill you want to work on or the skill you can do. And that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below.